Let's do subtraction of various number base system. Already finished addition. Let's do subtraction. So first, I like doing my examples with the base 10 system. The next system, that's what? Base 10. So take, for example, if we are to subtract, 523 minus 456. Both of them are in base 10. So this is how we do it in base 10, in which we are familiar with it. 4. So 3 minus 6. Actually, 6 is greater than 3. So you can minus 6 from 3. In our common language, we say cannot. 3 minus 6 cannot. So you borrow 1 from 2. That one you borrow from 2 becomes what? 10. So it becomes now 10 plus 3, that's 13. So this number here becomes 13. So we now do 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. Then what was left here is 1. That's 2 minus 1. What was left here is 1. 1 minus 5. You cannot. So we borrow 1 from 5 here, and that one becomes what? 10. We join it with 1 that was here, it becomes 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. So what is left here is 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So therefore, 523 minus 456 is what? 67, all base 10. So in that same sense, let's try to do this same subtraction in another base, say base 5. Let's subtract 422 base 5 minus 300 and minus 300 and minus 343 base 5. Now see how I'm going to do that. 422 base 5, 343 base 5. So the same procedure, this one, we do that here. 2 minus 3. Actually, 3 is greater than 2. So you can't do that subtraction. So you borrow 1 from 2 here, and that one becomes 5, not 10. You know, the counting system of this one was 10. That's why when you borrow 1 from it, it becomes 10. But on this one that is base 5, if you borrow 1, it becomes that base, which is 5. So you now do 5 plus 2 here. That will give you 7. So this is now 7. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. What is left here is 1. 1 minus 4 cannot. You borrow 1 from 4 here, and that one becomes what? 5. You join it with 1 here, that's 5 plus 1, that's 6. So you now do 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. What is left here is 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Base 5. So you see this equals to what? 24 base 5. It is as simple as that. So let me give you something to try and see if you understood what I just did there. Or should I do one more example? Let me do on base 3. No, let me give you something to try. So you do 543 base 6 minus 454 base 6. Then number 2. And let's look at numbers in base 3. 200 base 3 minus minus 121 base 3. Then number 3, let's do some binary stuff. 10110 is 2 minus 11100 base 2. So you pause the video and try this out and see if you can do that subtraction. So let's see if your answer correlates with what I'm going to have. Solution. For number 1, we have 543 base 6, 454 base 6, minus. So 3 minus 4 cannot. You borrow 1 from 4, and that 4 becomes 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. What is left here is 3. You borrow 3 minus 5 cannot. You borrow 1 from 5. If that one becomes 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. What is left here is 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Base 6. So this one equals to what? 45 base 6. So for the number 2, we have 200 minus 121 base 3 base 3. 0 minus 1 cannot. You borrow 1 from here. There is nothing to borrow from. So you come to 2 here to borrow. You borrow 1 from here. That one becomes 3. You add it to here. Here becomes 3. You borrow 1 from this new place that is now 3. You remain 2. And now that one becomes 3. You add it here, becomes 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. What is here left here is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. What is left here is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this one will be 2 base 3. The last one, 10110. Oh, okay, the last one must have given you problems. Actually, this one is greater than this one. Let me adjust that one. Sorry for the inconvenience. Let me adjust that one. Okay, so let me say 11100 is 2 minus 10110. It should be the right order. Even though if you do it the other way around, it can still be, but it will give you a negative answer. But I don't want to bring confusion. So base 2. 11100. 10110 base 2 base 2. 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 1 cannot. You borrow 1 from here, that one becomes 2. 2 minus 1 1. Here it remains 0. So you borrow 1 from here, it becomes 2. 2 minus 1 1. What is left here is 0. 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 1 0. So this one is 110 base 2, 110. So that is how to do subtraction number base.